how to add Google Ads Sitelink extension to your Google AdWords campaign. Stick around and I will show you step by step. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Evgeny Chvanau and I'm CEO and founder of Discover My Business. I have been running Google Ads for almost 7 years. So let's go to the video. But first, subscribe and like this button so anyone who needs help with extensions will see this video first. Again, let's go to campaigns and set up actual extension, Sitelink 1. Go all campaigns on the top left side, click campaign, which you want to add extension to, then go to ads, then extensions, and it will pop up this page. Click plus icon and pick Sitelink extensions. So we recommend use at least 4 Sitelink extensions. The max you can do is 8. So again, it's dependent on your company size of your business. You need to have them. It will give you a better quality. So since we're a digital marketing agency, I will create for myself. The first one we're always using as the brand name. The second line we are using as this kind of about company from our homepage. The second description is the full like a slogan from our website. And of course, URL will be taken for our main one. Then, as you see, here's the examples. Discover My Business. A lot of people using services in the Sitelink. It's a biggest problem because you have another type of extensions called structure snippet extension when you actually place your services. So guys, stick around or watch our next videos about structure snippet extension. But first, let's finish this one. The next line is we will use from our website. Let's go to our website. What other pages we can use over here? So we have services pages, not specific services, but just the services. So we will use, sorry, something's going on with my mouse. Digital marketing. So I'll place digital marketing agency. Make sure you fulfill them between 20 headlines between 20 to 25 characters and description between 30 to 35 characters. Again, it will give you a better quality score of your ads. All of the letters on the words should be capitalized. So the first letter on the word capitalized. Okay, digital marketing. The most challenges business problems in life. We solve the most solving the most challenging business. You see it's not fitting, so we need to play around. Business in online space. Okay, URL will be from the service page. Again, check the examples. Most of the people using 2 Sitelink extensions and they told you better use 4. So let's go and submit other ones. The third one probably will be about us or our team or about meet our company. About our team or about our company, agency. Okay, right away we can copy URL and also we can find out on the description side, our approach around learning and growing with your users. Okay, and the fourth one, most of the time it is a request consultation or contact us page. We will use case study page. Case studies, successful case studies. Okay, our team of, and right now we need to take some examples from the content. We will use meta tags. Check out sorry guys. Okay, awesome. As you see, all of the headlines, everything is in place, and we click save. And right now, all of this four Sitelink extensions is added into our campaign level. Again, if you have any questions about Google Ads, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and if you can, share with your friends. And if you want me to run your Google Ads, please click on the link below and schedule a call with me. More than happy to help. Bye.